Hey guys, have a good day GIS lover. Welcome to GIS Explorer YouTube channel. It is best integrated GIS channel. I am Arun, GIS expert. If you first time in our channel, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get our latest information about GIS. Today I will discuss you how to download high resolution image from QGIS 3.14. So what we learn here? We will learn here how to install processing toolbox plugins, how to add tiles layers from plugins, and also how to download high resolution image satellite image from QGIS 3.14. Now we have to open the QGIS software to add the processing toolbar in main menu bar. So we have to go plugins, then manage and install plugins, then you have to write down here processing, then scroll here and see here the processing toolbox already installed. So that's why I click on the checkbox and close the plugins widget. We have to add the tiles layer, that means satellite imagery. So that's why you have to go plugins, then tiles, then click on tile flash, then you choose the satellite imagery from here and then click on flash button. After clicking the flash button, you can see here the satellite imagery added our workspace. Now we have to zoom in the particular place for the download high resolution imagery. So I choose on of the UI, that means area of interest, which should be download from the tile layers. So we have to go the processing menu and then click on toolbox, and then you have to go the raster tools, and then finally you have to click on convert map to raster, and then convert map to raster widget. You have to click on maximum extend to render drop down box and then click on draw on canvas. Then you have to select the canvas area, that means UI. Then you have to go map unit per pixel. It should be 0. It should be 0.15, and then hit one run button. It takes some time for the calculate algorithm. Now you can see here the new layer added in our layer panel. Now I close the convert map to raster widget. Now you can see here the new layer added in our layer panel. This layer is the temporary layer, so that's why we have to save as a permanent layer. So we have to go the export, then so right click on the layer and then export, and then go to your digital location and give the name as your mind, and then save it. Then okay, so you can see here the new layer added here. So guys, that's all for you today. Further, you have any query, let me know that in my comment section below. If you like to learn more about, then check my others video. I hope that all of you get mileage in this video and openly share this video on social media. So please make sure you like and subscribe my GIS Explorer YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.